Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today we will be unboxing a gift hamper from Aruna Masala. Let's get started. So in here we have gulab jamun mix, which is buy one get one offer. We have ready badam drink mix. They have instructions on how to prepare it. We have roast before use vermicelli. We have roasted vermicelli. And we have vermicelli payasam mix. We have A1 grade Garam Masala, A1 grade Samba powder. We have A1 grade chili powder, A1 grade turmeric powder, and we have A1 grade coriander powder. The A1 in all of these masalas stand for top quality, which means the quality is of utmost. So friends, get your hands on these products from Aruna Masala. We will be coming up with different recipes using these products. You can order them online through Amazon or buy it from your local store. You can check the description for link. That's it for today. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, press the red button, press the bell icon for notifications. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Our handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.